New update, quick, easy head wrap tutorial. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Dead Beauty. Today class, we are going to learn how to achieve net material for bow tie. Please focus your eye on my hand. This is a new update. Normally we use this net to do like to burn a hair, but my people, because it's net material, you fold it, let the texture be thick. Then once you fold it like 4 times, then the length, you will not divide it, like one side will be longer than the other side. You take it from the back, just focus your eye for my hand. You take it from the back, the shorter part. Now I want to tie for front, so you see, make sure you use the shorter part to knot it, and the shorter part will come to the front side after you don't tie. The shorter part now come the front side, so you see, not let the longer part come the front side. That is the secret of this style to achieve it. You know, but net material is more lighter than ashoke or akara. So once you reach this stage, you can put open now. Make sure so you put your 2 hands inside. You see, that was how I created my thumbnail. See, you see the way I put my 2 hands inside for you to be able to separate and divide it. Without you not doing like this, you know, if you divide them, then you can't divide them equal. Can't take the short one. We take not for front. We take front. Take divide them, separate them, go back. You take the way I take and go back. Oh my people, it's very easy to achieve. It's very easy. This style is super unique, and the reason I like this style, you can use it for English outfit, you can use it for native outfit, and it's good for all age group, and it's very easy. You can, when you are going to church, you are going to events, this time is not when you be saying I can't do it. You can do it. Practice. The more you practice, the more you know how to do. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 500 videos on my YouTube channel and my Facebook. I have 2 Facebook, I have 2 YouTube. I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. My people, follow me in all my social media in case you want to learn. We do makeup, we do gele. We teach how to do makeup on yourself. Operation, do it yourself. Operation, you can tie your hair by yourself. Operation, don't go and spoil those people video that have events, or you are going out, you say you don't know how to do. No, not only you want that level, auntie, sister. So on this day, that night, that yesterday night, I do this video. I make this video about 2 p.m. in the night. After I finish 2 photo shoots, my first son will be 16 on 2nd of February. We do photo shoot. Then I have one of my beautiful model as well. Our birthday is coming, Valentina. We do photo shoot. Then I say, let me come and give my people a new update. I do like 3 styles with this net. Please subscribe and follow me in case I drop all the new update of this net so that you can get it. So my people, this is the final. My son's birthday is coming. He will be 16 February 2nd, my first son. Oh, I'm super excited. You can see, oh, this is the back. In case you want to cover the back, take the left side and the right side and use pin to pin it together. It's very easy to cover for back. That is it, my people. Try and learn, try and practice. In case you want to book me for your event, that is my phone number. I'm available to travel. We are all you want beauty. Yes, so makeup, gele, traditional bridal hair, okuku for all tribe. Everything, in fact, go to my Instagram and see many of my job is there. Okay, my people. Yes, so if you want to know more explanation of gele head wrap, makeup tutorial, come to my live stream. That is where I do more explanation. If you are in a hurry, don't go to my live stream. I base here in United Kingdom, London. Thank you. See you on my next video. Bye bye.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty. Carry me they go, Jehovah carry